everyone, my name is Dell C. Arnold. I'm the CEO and founder of Asfaleia Designs, and today we're going to be reviewing our messenger bag. Something very different and special about our messenger bag. It is a ballistic armor, aka bulletproof bag, that you can use as a shield. It also has our Magnetic Retention CCW Pocket, and so that's a very important thing to have. It's very new in this industry. We're the ones that invented that, and so as you know, when the blood rushes to your core, leaves your extremities, your fingertips, you lose that feeling. So you can't really, it's hard to deal with zippers. And so you start fumbling around with the zippers, that could cost valuable time. And so it's really designs we have solved that problem. So without any further delay, let's go ahead and get started. So first I want you to know that this was designed in Italy. Very high-end, full-grain, genuine leather, custom logos, very high-end hardware on here. The hardware is blacked out, so it is our night edition. I designed that myself, so very proud of that. The straps are going to be slash-proof straps, so if anybody tries to cut it while you're walking, they're not going to be able to do that. So overall, just a very nice high-end design. So here's the Magnetic Retention CCW Pocket on the back. You can see it's very easy to get into. Very simple. With a little bit of practice, you can get in there real quick, pull your gun out, and be able to deal with that threat very effectively and very quickly with ease with this pocket right here. So something that's definitely very important. Now on the inside, we want to kind of take a look at very nice custom design. It's really a logo. And of course we have our laptop pockets in here. We have another zipper pocket right here as well. Then plenty of space for your files and things like that you would need for your basic everyday needs and stuff. And then also we have another pocket right here with some extra zipper pockets as well, some additional space to put your stuff. But here is where the ballistic armor plate pocket goes. And so basically you would just kind of lift that up. It's a pocket that holds this into place, and this is our level 3A 10x12 ballistic armor. It's a very, very capable plate. You can look online and see what we've done. We shot a video that kind of showed the performance of this. It's very impressive. I think you'll be very interested in seeing that. And so you just kind of put that right in that pocket, and you put a good tug down just like that, and then put it in place as a military grade tactical Velcro, holds it in place. And so basically what it does is it effectively turns your bag into a ballistic armor shield. And so you can put that in front of your vital organs and stuff, and will definitely protect you. You can take it anywhere you want, take it to church, take it to the movies, take it out to dinner. You can even leave it by your bed. I have a bag that I leave by my bed. If somebody breaks into my house, I'm going to use that bag, and it'll be an extra layer of defense on my part. And so, our products can give you and your family the safety, type of feeling that you need. You can see more on this bag online at www.asfaleia.com. That's ASFALEIA designs.com, and please subscribe to our monthly newsletter. We have some special discounts for people who do that. And don't forget to like and share us on Facebook. And we want to thank you today for watching the video.